Well, yeah, I basically had a rare one that kind of looked just like this one, but it was a different. It was a strawberry cinnamon, and normally you only have cinnamons that kind of look like this one, but it's like a pastel, faded version. And then this one.
Does he like to swim? Do you hold the water out, or do you have to?
Yeah, like just a bath. Like I have a little pool. It's about this big.
Yeah. Does he jump around in it?
They'll dive in just because they think.
Well, he's a tropical animal. But how do you get him to stay with you? Does he just does it?
Yeah.
By the way, I know they require the same owner. It's like you're gonna have to keep that birdie till he dies, right?
Yeah.
But I would.
Yeah.
Is he a no-brainer to take care of here?
Pretty much for me. Like he wants to eat everything with me and stuff, so I just gotta make sure that I keep little bags around, because if not, I get bit on. At first, you do little things like you'll tap him like. No.
Hey, does he like pistachio nuts?
Yeah.
You want some?
But you gotta watch out chocolate and.
Yeah, I got a whole bunch of pistachio nuts here. You want to give him some?
Sure.
Yeah, here. Get back. I got a huge bag of these at home. Just take them. Yeah. They're a little bit moist. Oh, look at, he sees it. He sees them.
Yeah.
Look at.
You open it. You have to learn.
What's his name?
Sheola.
Huh?
Sheola.
Seola?
Hola.
And what's your name?
My name is Junior.
Junior?
Yes.
I'm John.
Hi, John. Nice to meet you.
Man, thank you for letting me see him. He's so cool. If you don't mind, I'm taking a little video of him.
No problem. Hey, doggy.
I don't think... By the way, she's real cool with birds and chickens and stuff. She just wants to look at it. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. It's like, no. I've never seen her act like that. It's like, likes that birdie. Oh, he digs it. He digs pistachios. Mm-hmm. Look at that. Oh,
yeah, one of the first nuts I bought for my bird was pistachios.
Look at, he's fit. I guess, well, that's a bird. No, he ate it.
Oh, there.
He ate most of it.
He held on to the wrong one. Here you are.
Oh, he's so
you
cute.
Eat that.
God, he's so cute. He says, Dad, it's too big.
I got this one because I had another one, but somebody stole them. So this one really loves me, and then there's another
he's
one
so neat.
At Petco, a bit bigger than this one.
Yeah.
This one's a baby.
How much does one of these cost?
About $400 to $800.
Okay. Because I back in Nevada, this is a while back, I paid like $400 for that green conure.
Yeah, this one was $4.
I took him home. Actually, on the way home, he was cool until I got him home, and then he just turned into. He was not stupid. He was really smart.
Yeah.
But he just bit the hell out of me when I got him home. It's like, should have left me at the pet shop.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, they're unpredictable.
No, so immediately you gotta make sure that you have their home area, and you're gonna get actually bit, I would say, up until the first few months. After that, by then you've already grumbled to the bird. Yeah. The bird's already learning to grumble to you.
Yes.
And then the bird's gonna start biting you softer at that point.
Right.
Because you're gonna get furious. Like, I got bit right here on my eye.
Yeah. It's like they almost know where to bite you, where it really hurts.
It was because I never shaved my beard. Since I got
they
my
like
bird.
that? They like your beards?
Loves it. Love hair.
Want to see if he likes beard? I don't care if he bites me. Seriously. Here, you want?
No.
It's okay. No, he's gone. Oh, no, not really. Oh, he's so cool. Hey, man.
Yeah, but I shaved my beard, and when I went to rub him, bit me like I was a stranger.
Oh, no.
It was like, no, told me no. Hello.
Oh, yeah. Now, that's pretty weird. Hey, buddy. Okay. I thought he was going to nail me in the finger, didn't you? When he climbed on, he was just balancing himself. He barely felt it at all. Yeah. Okay, go back to Daddy. Thank you, bro. A little itch before you go, sure.
Oh,
he's all wet because he just had a bath.
There you go.
Come on. It's not, you can... Here, can I put him on his shoulder for a minute, if he'll go?
Yeah, my bird's real friendly because I I'm planning to keep them as a breeder, if anything.
Good
and
idea.
then later on, my other birds will be more less friendly. Actually, this one I make friendly because I got 5 kids, you know, and my brothers come over and stuff.
This is special. I love
Say
it.
hello.
Hello. Hello. You're all
Say
wet,
hello,
bro.
Ola.
This birdie's all wet.
Hola, say hello.
Remember that was the saying back in the 50s? Hey, you're all wet. It doesn't mean like you're dumb or stupid. This birdie is not stupid. He is so cute. This is so only in Hawaii. Everybody's got the aloha. Well,
Oh, actually, gonna start messing up your necklace
I don't
there.
yeah, right.
It's beautiful wood, you know. It's like, oh, snap.
They gave it to me at the recycle center yesterday. Yeah, you want it?
Oh, no.
Then chew on it. I get this stuff all the
Okay, I
time.
got toys at home for him.
All this stuff was free.
Yeah, it's just today. I haven't brought them out in a while, and then finally now I'm bringing them out. So I was taking them by the bushes where I get Jacksons every once in a while.
Yeah. They got Jacksons around here?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're in the bush.
I bring them home because I'm trying to populate them at my house. I got about 10 of them there, but they disappear right away. I live right by Akasaka Orchids.
Yeah, I usually what do you call them? I'm capturing them wild. So if I let them back go, it isn't like I'm doing anything illegal.
Right.
Technically, if you take your pet Jackson from the pet shop,
Yeah.
or like this pet bird,
Yeah.
and you release them into a wild,
Right.
that is illegal.
Right.
And then apparently somebody was telling me it's illegal to capture wild animals. And I was like, that's a damn lie. I mean,
Besides that,
who's
who's gonna bust you? They don't have nobody here to
if
bust
it's
you.
outside of
Animal
season,
control,
right.
yeah, they got
If there
3 people
actually
working
is
there.
seasons, then I understand. I'll respect
Sure,
the seasons,
sure.
but who the hell's got seasons on Jackson?
Nobody.
Right.
We're in Hawaii, man. Yeah. Hey, look at
They're considered
they
an
let me
invasive
run around
species.
looking like this. What the hell are they gonna do if somebody catches a lizard?
Exactly.
Nothing.
So I have 5 children, a 15, a 14-year-old, a 12-year-old, or gonna be 12, a 9-year-old, or just made 10-year-old, and a 8-year-old.
Were you like 5 years old when you had that first kid?
Because
you look like you're 20.
I think I was 21.
You look like
when I
you're
had my
20
first
right
kid.
now. You do. Well preserved. Hey, I'll let you go, bro.
Hello, bro.
I had
What was
so
your
much fun. John Silver.
Nice to meet you,
Remember
John
the
Silver.
pirate, Long John Silver? And my nickname here, because I'm in Hawaii, right? John in Hawaiian is Keone.
Yeah.
And nobody can say silver. So it's Keone Silva.
Yeah.
Okay, brah?
Aloha, bro.
Aloha. Bye, man. Thank you. How cool. Sorry, the birdie is gone. No more birdie. Ah, poor Ginger.